after, Thanksgiving and Dad went on walkabout, he just kept walking. He didn't go back to Washington. But he sent somebody back who sort of seemed like him and who was giving them access to someone who sort of seemed like me. And so that's how all this worked out. Because some of them out there think they can read me pretty well, and some of them can. So, but, they just can't identify me very well. So I wasn't there, and I wasn't having the reactions that they were looking for. And anyway, China says they're not going to jump the borders until it comes to pass that the date that Aunt Peg set in stone comes and goes, and then I don't get my money. I'm what they're afraid of. There's nothing else out here that they're afraid of. And and really dealing with China is boring as hell. It is tedious as wow. Really. I was just thinking I had some kind of conversation with somebody. Oh, that's so exciting. You're dealing with these people and those people. And I'm like, really? Where are you guys meeting these people? Because when I meet them in the office, they are boring. And, but that's the thing in China, they actually go into the office and they actually focus on things. And you can be completely, totally disagreed with them, but we're just talking about making money right now. And so that's how that goes. So I don't, like I said, if I ever went to any of the parties, I was working and not as a party favor. So, that's kind of the thing, when Terry was saying, well, these are the same people, and he couldn't figure out why I was here, and I was, well, these are the same people. But, anyway, and another thing, so Mom usually didn't use her own eggs. I don't know why. I don't know if she did with the first group. She was still in Egypt after my ovaries were put in my grandmother, and so the second, everyone younger than that is so Gypsy John and her brother. They're actually my kids, and which is why I can't give birth to them again. But she is going to be a Keolia, and he went into Dad's service, and I need somebody to hold down Anatolia. And the Turks, they say they're related to us. I don't feel it. The Gypsies, they don't say they're related to us, and yet I see a lot in common with them.